What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Barry from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center page with the bottom edge of the cone. We're going to start over on the left side. We want to draw a curve that comes down the middle. We'll bend that back up on the right. Now from the ends we want to taper this up towards the top. So we'll start with the left side going up at an angle. I'm also going to round out the tip of the cone and then come down towards the right side. Now I want to add that waffle pattern inside the cone. So starting from the bottom left, we're going to bend this down and then across. Step up, draw that again. And we'll add one more. Now I want to go across in the opposite direction. So going over towards the right, coming down and out. And then one across the bottom corner. Now I want to drape the hair coming down along the left side. So let's start from the bottom left corner of the cone, come down, and then bend that out. Let's work our way across the top. So we're just going to bend this in and out, round up the hair, and then come in towards the side of the cone. Now I want to continue this curve over on the right side, going around and just tucking that in. Now I'm going to add that ice cream dripping down across the top. Let's start on the side, add a curve, coming around and in, add another bump. It's going to work our way over towards the left side, just tucking this in behind the hair. Now from here we're going to tuck the muzzle in underneath the ice cream and the hair. So let's start over on the left side, come all the way around towards the bottom of the muzzle, bring this up on the right, and then just tuck that in. And then along the top, we're going to add the bottom of the star. Let's start with a point. Angle it down and out toward the left. And then the right side. And I want to go straight up towards the side of the star. And then we'll go straight out towards the side of the muzzle. Let's add two nostrils. We'll start with two straight angled lines. Line that up on the right side. I'm going to curve the bottom of the nostril, coming down and then back in. Now I want to shift the mouth over towards the right side. So starting underneath the nostril, coming down and in, bend this down and then out. And then we'll separate the teeth with two straight angled lines. Now I want to layer the side of the head in behind the muzzle. Let's start on the top right, curve this out, come all the way around, and then bend that in. Let's line this up over on the left side, bend this out, up, and then in underneath the hair. Now we're going to expose the right eye, so we're going to start from the side of the muzzle, angle the brow going up and out, step up. Just going to taper this so it gets wider going up towards the top. Let's fill the eyebrow in black. For the inside of the eyebrow, let's step out, draw the bottom of the eye. We're going to come down like a half oval, then bend that up toward the side, and we'll pull the pupil towards the inside, coming down and then up, and then we'll fill the pupil in black. Now over on the right cheek, we're going to draw a half heart. Let's start by going up, down, and then out. I'm also going to add a drip along the right side, down and up, towards the top point. Now I'm going to add a band across the top right. Let's start up here, curve this around, and then back in. Let's layer the ear in behind. Starting from the top, bend this around, and then up, go around the outside, and then bend that back in. Now I want to add a seam along the inside, from the tip, coming all the way down. I'm also going to add a seam across the hair. Let's start up here on the side of the cone, going out, come down, and back out towards the tip of the hair. Now I want to add some layers of the mane in behind the head. Let's start from the top, then it's out, and then down. Let's go underneath the ear, come down and in, step down, and draw another one. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body, and we want to taper this so it gets narrower across the hip. Let's start underneath the left cheek, bend the body, coming down and then in. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. In the center of the body, we're going to add a seam for the chest. We're going to go up and then bend that down. I'm going to add some detail over on the left side. Let's start with a small heart. And then we'll move inside and draw a star. Now from the hips, we're going to move to the center, step all the way down. We're going to draw a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side, bend the leg, coming down and out towards the inside of the knee. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to bend the leg, coming in and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and up. And then from the outside, let's draw the top of the foot. We want to go up and then bend that down towards the heel. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. Just going to follow that curve going across towards the heel. Let's go to the top of the foot, go all the way towards the outside, angle this up and out on either side. And I'll follow the curve of the foot coming in and then down towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back to the hips and close off the legs. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then come down, just tucking that in behind the cuff. Now from the hips, we want to step in and draw 2 points. And lift up and in. And then we'll round out the top. Let's go over towards the side. I'm going to curve this up and then down towards the hips. Let's go back to the side, angle this down and then in towards the bottom. Round this out and go up towards the side of the leg. Now across the knee, we're going to add a fold with a small curve coming down and then up. Let's go all the way up to the top of the body, draw 2 straight lines going across the top of the straps. And then we want to bend this down and then pull that in just up above the hips. Now from the bottom of the strap, we're going to step up, bend the arm coming out and then down towards the cuff. And then we want to layer those thick cuffs on top. So we're going to step in, bend this up, and go all the way out. From the top of the sleeve, let's step down, bend the shoulder, going out and then down. Step up to create a fold, and just tuck that in behind the cuff. Now we're going to round up the side of the cuff, coming down and then in. Close off the bottom with that same curve. From the inside of the cuff, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb and close off the end with a bracket. Now we want to add 3 fingers across the bottom. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. From the side, add the 2nd finger, and then the 3rd finger going up towards the outside of the cuff. Let's go to the center of the cuff and add 3 curves. Start from the outside, come down and in, and then just work our way towards the inside of the cuff. Now I'm going to add some sprinkles across the top half of the cuff. Starting from the outside, we're going to draw an oval. I'm just going to switch these angles. I'm going to rotate these around. Let's add 3 on the right side. Now we want to finish off by drawing a large circle in behind the right leg for the end of the tail. Let's start from the inside of the leg, going all the way around, and then out. And I want to continue that curve along the outside. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Barry from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Hey everyone, if you really want to discover your artistic potential, then join our Club Masterclass membership. For just $1 a month, you'll gain instant access to exclusive members-only drawing tutorials, virtual art camps, and much, much more. Join our thriving community of passionate artists just like you, and let your creativity soar. So just click that link in the description, and I'll see you in the club.